Yo, what's up everyone, this is Will. Many of our friends and followers are wondering what are we doing since this channel has been already created over 1 year. And today I will introduce you what we are doing and what can we do for you. So here is a Veektuning. We do have a professional manufacturing in China. All these interior parts and exterior parts are designed and made from us. And also, we do have a body shop in China, United States, Azerbaijan, and later in Turkey. So we can do some installation service for you guys. If you are from some other countries and also interested about our auto parts, we can also offering global shipping and do some technical advices for you. So if you do have some BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Tesla parts requirements, or you want to upgrade your car, feel free to contact us. Either our website, don't forget veektuning.com, and WhatsApp, and some other social media platform. So this is what we are doing right now. Absolutely! If you are from North America or Canada, you just go to our website and shopping online. If you are from some other countries, we can also ship worldwide. You can contact me from WhatsApp and we will divide the parts price and the shipping price. We will find a shipping agency to calculate how much for the shipping fee. And also, before the shipping, we will confirm all the parts with you with the video, make your car upgrades even more easier. Many of our friends ask us how to do the installation if they bought our kits. To be honest, our kits have a little bit technical to do the installation, but we do have the installation manual of most of our body kits. And if you want to do the installation or before you purchase, please contact us first. And you can find any local shop or dealer or repair shop. We can see if they do have the ability to do the installation. If they don't or they do, we can have some consult for them. And also, if you don't trust them but us, you can also find our cooperation body shop to do the installation for you. Feel free to contact us from WhatsApp or any platform of social media. Also, we do have a website, veektuning.com. And no matter you are repair shop, modification shop, or you are auto lovers, we're very glad to have a partnership with you. Our mission is to provide high quality modification parts with technical support. And we can bring your modification dream come to life.